Most people use Claude to save time. A smaller group uses it to make money. The difference isn't the tool, it's knowing which income streams actually work. I'm going to show you 5 specific ways to turn Claude into real income, not theory, specific workflows with real numbers. Here's what's actually happening right now. Businesses need content, copy, research, and systems, and most of them are behind on all of it. The people who can deliver those things fast and at a high standard can charge a premium. Claude compresses execution time by 80 to 90% on knowledge work. That means one person with the right Claude workflows can deliver what used to require a team. That gap is a business opportunity, and it's available right now before everyone figures it out. The first income stream is the most accessible: freelance writing and copywriting, blog posts, landing pages, email sequences, LinkedIn content, case studies. Businesses pay $300 to $2,000 per piece for this work. The Claude workflow: you bring the strategy, the positioning, and the client knowledge. Claude handles the first draft in 4 minutes. You edit, sharpen the voice, add the specific examples. You deliver in a fraction of the time and keep the full rate. Writers who add Claude to their workflow aren't undercutting the market. They're handling more clients at the same quality. That's how you go from 30,000 to 6 figures as a freelancer in under a year. The second income stream is productized services, taking one specific thing you're good at, building a repeatable Claude-powered workflow around it, and selling it at a fixed price. Examples: a resume and LinkedIn overhaul package for $350, a competitor research brief for $500, a 30-day social media content pack for $750, a pitch deck outline and narrative for $1,000. The leverage here is that Claude compresses a 4-hour deliverable into 45 minutes. When you have a repeatable workflow, you can run multiple clients a week without burning out. 3 to 5 productized clients per week is a real 6-figure business. The third stream: digital products, prompts, templates, playbooks, mini courses, things you build once and sell repeatedly. A well-crafted prompt library for a specific use case: marketing, legal, HR, sales, sells for $20 to $100. A 30-page playbook on how to run your business with Claude sells for $47 to $97. A short video course sells for $97 to $397. Claude helps you build these products faster than any tool available. Research, outline, draft, format, a full prompt library or playbook can go from idea to finished product in a weekend. With the right distribution, that becomes recurring passive income. The fourth stream is consulting, and this is where the highest value work lives. Companies are willing to pay $2,000 to $10,000 to have someone come in and build Claude workflows for their team. Not just show people how to use the tool, build the actual systems, the prompts, the standard operating procedures, the training. If you've been using Claude seriously for 3 months, you know more about practical Claude implementation than most companies will ever learn on their own. That knowledge is worth real money. Position it as AI workflow consulting or Claude implementation, and you're in a category with almost no competition right now. The fifth stream takes longer but compounds the hardest: building an audience around Claude and AI productivity. A YouTube channel, a newsletter, a LinkedIn presence, any platform where you teach Claude workflows consistently. Monetization comes from sponsorships, affiliate commissions, digital product sales to your own audience, and inbound consulting leads. The people building audiences in this space right now are positioning themselves to benefit for years as AI adoption continues to accelerate. If you're already using Claude, you're already ahead of most people. The question is whether you're making that knowledge public. 5 income streams with Claude: freelance writing, productized services, digital products, consulting, and content. You don't need all 5, you need one done well. The window to be early is still open, but it won't be for long. Subscribe for more workflows that turn Claude into a real professional edge. Full breakdown with numbers in the description below.